What's going on, guys? My name is Dale McManus, and right now the economy has tanked. I know, bummer way to start a video. But right now everybody's stuck inside their homes, and for some reason everybody is hoarding toilet paper. And YouTube will demonetize me if I mention why this has happened, but let's just say it is a pandemic related to a famous beer. So to help anybody out that may be looking for some extra income moving forward from this, here is how to make money online during a quarantine. And I'm going to be putting these methods of making money online into 3 different categories, starting from the fastest way to make money
to the slowest way.
But that also means it's going to go from making the least amount of money to making the most amount of money. Yay! Because no matter what, I don't believe in get-rich-quick schemes, and I've been making money online for about 4 to 5 years now, and I've never just made a pile of money overnight from working for 5 hours that day. But you can make some amount of money relatively quickly. So let's go ahead and start out with category number 1, which is online odd jobs. This is going to be the fastest way to make money, but also you're not going to make nearly as much. Online odd jobs are basically just trading your time for money, and this is not passive, but it's a way that you can make quick money. It's not going to be much though. You're doing things like taking surveys online and getting paid per survey, or copywriting and getting paid a certain amount of cents per word, things like that. Now, I'm not going to dive too far into this because it would just last forever. So I'm just going to throw up a bunch of websites on the screen right now, and I'm going to put them in the description in case you're interested in doing things like this. I personally do not make my money online this way, but I figured I'd mention it just because people are looking to make any amount of money as fast as possible. Okay, so now getting into it, category number 2 is online jobs. This is also a faster way of making money, but you can either accept a certain pay or set your own pay rate and control your income a little bit more. So number 1 in this category is to become a virtual assistant. This is great because you don't really need one specific set of skills. You're going to be doing a wide range of different things for an online company. So this could be things like answering emails or responding to clients and customers or organizing tasks and schedules for the rest of the team. And you're going to find jobs like this by just typing in virtual assistant jobs on Google. There's a huge demand for virtual assistants, especially right now during a quarantine when everybody is working remotely from home. Number 2 in this category is Upwork.com. Now, I mention this because if you have a specific skill set that you can do online, like graphic design or writing or web design or anything like that, you can get paid hourly on Upwork.com to work for anyone from all over the world. I personally have hired dozens of people on Upwork.com, and if the relationship goes well, I end up just sending them work all the time, and a lot of clients do this. So you can actually find regular freelance work through Upwork.com. Okay, so moving on to number 3 in this category, we've got Fiverr. And Fiverr is a lot like Upwork in the sense that you're being paid for online services. And this is for things like graphics and design, video and animation, writing and translations, music and audio, anything like that. And guys, if you don't have skills in these things, it's okay. You've got infinite knowledge at your fingertips. You can just go on YouTube and type in a Photoshop tutorial, and you can learn Photoshop in a matter of a day or 2, and then you can get on Fiverr and sell your services to touch up people's photos or remove things in the background, whatever it might be. You just have to get creative with it. Okay, so now for my favorite category, online businesses. These are things that are not overnight. They're going to take a little bit longer to grow, but they're going to be passive income so that you're going to keep making money even while you sleep. This is how I've been making money for the last 4 or 5 years now. So the first one in this category is online courses. If you can teach anything at all and you've got a cell phone that has a video recording function, then you can create a course and sell it online. You can do this through a site like Skillshare. And I've actually been teaching on Skillshare for 4 years now, and I've made more money on that site than I ever thought I would. In fact, here's a screenshot from my back office in Skillshare where you can actually see how much I've taken home every month. As you can see, it just gets better and better. And the more courses that you post, the more money that you make. And the way that Skillshare pays its teachers is through minutes watched. So the more engaging that your course is, the more money that you're going to end up making. And this is recurring revenue. So you could post a few courses and then not do anything for 6 months and still be making money throughout all of those months. And another site is called udemy.com. And Udemy is a lot like Skillshare, where you post your course, but for this one, people pay per course. So they're paying somewhere around $10, $15 or so for your course. And again, here's a screenshot of my back office in Udemy, where you can see exactly how much I'm making every single month. And to be honest, I haven't posted a new course on Udemy in about a year now, and yet I'm still continuing to make this money each month. And going way back to my very first month on Udemy, where I only had one course, this is how much I made. So I highly, highly recommend online courses as a way to make passive income. Next in the online business category is Shopify. Shopify is basically an e-commerce platform. So especially if you've even got a brick and mortar business already that's hurting, then you can take your products online. I'll even put one of my tutorials below in the description in case you're interested in making a Shopify store. But even if you don't have a business or a product, you can do affiliate sales on Shopify. So you can take other people's products and you can sell them for them and get a commission. Or you can do drop shipping. And drop shipping is basically just taking products at wholesale, selling them through your Shopify store, but you don't have to touch any of the shipping. The manufacturer does all of that. All you do is make the sale and collect your money. So how do you get customers to your Shopify store? Well, you can do this through paid advertisements on Facebook or Instagram, or you could do this organically through Pinterest. Basically, you can take your product, put it on Pinterest, and then when somebody sees it and clicks on it, they'll end up going to your Shopify store to buy it. And you can do this using Canva. And Canva is a free online software where you can create pins with text and images. It's basically like a really simplified version of online Photoshop. Okay, so the next way is through YouTube. Growing a YouTube channel is an amazing way to make money online, especially if you know something about a certain niche. So for instance, this channel right here is about teaching web design and making money with websites. But it almost doesn't matter what it is. If you know a lot about doing your makeup or skateboarding or farming, literally anything at all, you can teach it on YouTube. And you don't need to be a pro at video. Again, as long as you have a phone, you can shoot it on your phone, and then there's free software to edit it, which I will list some free software in the description for you in case you're interested. And there's a couple ways to make money with this. The first is obviously ad revenue. So you get paid through YouTube for people watching your stuff and clicking on the ads that are at the beginning of your videos. And here's a screenshot of what I made last month with this channel right here. And this isn't the only channel I've made. I've got another one called The Health Nerd that I made that's got almost 500,000 subs now. And it's literally just a stick figure teaching health and fitness tips. And the other way to make money is selling your own courses, products, or even affiliate sales. And you do this simply by putting them in the description for people to click on. Which brings me to the last one, which is affiliate marketing. You don't have to spend all your time creating your own products or courses. You can just take other people's and sell them for them and make a commission. And you can do this as much as you want. And it's very easy to sign up and become an Amazon affiliate. And I'll put a link to that in the description in case you're interested. And you can also use a site called clickbank.com to find affiliate products. On ClickBank, you've got a whole menu on the left side of the screen where you can search through different niches, pick which one suits you, and find tons of products within that niche that you can sell. And let's say you find a few products that you want to sell. And now you're probably asking, okay, Dale, but how do I get people to buy them? Well, again, YouTube is an amazing way to grow a following online. And then you've also got Pinterest. And Pinterest is actually the #1 social media of buyers. People spend the most money on Pinterest. So again, making those pins and growing your Pinterest boards using that online software I told you about called Canva, and growing your Pinterest following. Or obviously you can do paid advertisements on Google, Instagram, or Facebook. Okay guys, so that's all I've got for today. Hopefully some of that helped you and resonated. If I forgot anything, please feel free to leave it in the comments below. And if you want more content like this, then please consider subscribing to my channel.